Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide Pro. If your iPhone microphone is not working, your voice isn't clear on calls, or apps like WhatsApp, Zoom, or FaceTime can't hear you, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you easy ways to fix your iPhone microphone. Fix 1. Check microphone access. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security Microphone. Make sure the apps you want to use the microphone with are allowed access. Fix 2. Remove case or screen protectors. Some cases or screen protectors can block the microphone openings. Remove them and test the microphone again. Fix 3. Clean the microphone. Inspect the microphone holes at the bottom, front, and back. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove dust or debris. Do not insert anything sharp inside the microphone. Fix 4. Test the microphone. Open voice memos and record a short clip. Play it back to check if the microphone works. This helps identify if the problem is hardware or app specific. Fix 5. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button, slide to power off, then turn it back on. This refreshes system processes and can fix temporary glitches. Fix 6. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General Software Update. Install the latest iOS version. Updates often fix microphone-related bugs. Fix 7. Reset all settings. If the microphone still doesn't work, go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Reset all settings. This will reset settings without deleting your data. If your microphone still isn't working after all these steps, it might be a hardware issue. Visit an authorized Apple Service Center for repair. That's it. These steps should help fix iPhone microphone not working problem. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Guide Pro for more easy iPhone solutions. Thanks for watching.